Altium, which is one of the best PCB design software in the world. While using this software, you can make circuit diagram very easily. Also, you can design your own professional PCBs. Unleash the power to create without limits, multidisciplinary product creation, powered by a network without constraints, product co-creation without boundaries, free from silos, free from limits, where working together becomes working as one. Altium is revolutionizing the industry with the first solution purpose built for multidisciplinary electronics product creation, priced to bring big company power to small and mid-sized organization. Now integrated with Altium, you can easily collaborate, share your design file and manage library all in the cloud. Start your free trial today and see why engineers everywhere choose Altium.